Part-time training is part-time results. Our minimum is others' maximum, and our maximum is the exception. So, I want you to think about this for just a minute. I want you to identify 5 things that are barriers to us being all in. Can somebody raise your hand and define what a barrier means? Like, what is a barrier, Nick?
A barrier is an obstruction.
An obstruction, okay? Something from keeping us to getting that. So something that keeps us from being all in specifically with choir, okay? Let me start you off with an example, okay? I'll do the first one, okay? Example, for us to be all in, maybe we might have to say, if I have to remind you about posture, right?
Yeah.
That would be one. That keeps us from being all in. An example, everybody else is standing tall, one person's going.
Slouching.
So I would have the person that does the counter today, when I say, be sure if I say one of the 5 things up there, I want you to click it.
Okay.
Okay? Be sure we're standing tall. That would be a posture, would it not?
Yes, sir.
So that would be one we click. Okay? Next, what's another one? Okay? Emmanuel, okay, what?
Off task, without like on task.
Let's just say something related to focus. Okay? Make sure we're all looking at music. Make sure we're all click. Okay? That's a barrier to us being all in.
So
Sam?
just playing around.
Like levels.
Levels. Okay, let me make it a little more broad. We'll just use anything hand sign related, okay? All right, Jack? Locking into pitch, okay? But pitch, you could be all in. Do you guys agree with this? I have a question. If he says pitch something, can you be all in, like working as hard as you can, but still be on the wrong pitch? Yeah, of course you can. So can I use this instead? How about something effort related?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to work harder, need you to use more air, need you something like that. Okay, what's the last one in mind?
Confidence.
Confidence. Describe more what you mean.
Like we get like a little scared to sing out if you have the pitch.
Like if you know what you're singing, don't be afraid to sing.
Yeah, like sing louder. Like,
Okay, I think that goes over here.
Don't be afraid to mess up.
How about, let me give you one. What about like materials?
Binder.
Like, make sure we're on the right song. What measure are we on? Does that make sense? Like kind of things like that. So I'm gonna leave. Guess what? These are the same that I'm gonna count for every class.
Ben,
I'm not gonna let them pick the category. You're picking. It all is based on you. So second period today.
pick whatever.
How many do you have? How many clicks do you have today?
0.
0 is right. Okay. All right. I'm going to see which class is the most all in today. So, I need you guys to be able to work together here to be able to pick the right person for your class that's going to be that's really pretty focused and is going to catch me when I say something like that. Okay? So I want you to work together right now to decide who that person's going to be. Okay?
Sam.
Who do you think? I hear a vote for Sam.
Yeah.
Do we guys agree?
He said
Sam?
Emmanuel too.
I said me, but you know I'm winning.
Sam or Amon? What do y'all think?
He said Emmanuel.
What do you think?
I think it's me. I think it's me because
Okay, then we have to vote, okay? So it just is what it is. All 3 would be very good options. Do we all agree?
Yes.
Okay.
All 3 of us.
You're voting for Sam.
How about
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you're voting for Amon.
I was-
1.
I was in the race too.
And then if you're voting for Emmanuel. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
I was in the race too.
Okay. That includes you. So, all right. Okay, good. Let's stand, guys. Day number 12. Day number 12 today. We are on day number 12, so I want to make sure that y'all are opened up. This is not a click yet. I'll let you know if you miss one. Just a quick question. What sight reading are we on? Day 12. Okay, let me give you a second to get there. Your goal is to have as few clicks as possible.